Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best C-curl clusters is probably one of the most versatile lash styles you can find. They're perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of glamour to their look, whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro. These lashes offer a beautiful curl that opens up the eyes, creating a natural yet noticeable enhancement. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about C-curl lash clusters. Number 5. Bodermincer C-curl cluster lashes. Introducing the Bodermincer lash extension. These lashes are designed to enhance your natural beauty. They are perfect for achieving a fuller, more dramatic look. This set includes 240 individual cluster lashes with a C-curl. The curl provides a beautiful lift and opens up the eyes. You will love the effect. Available in 10D and 20D clusters, these lashes offer customizable volume. You can choose the perfect density to match your desired style. It's easy to apply. The lashes come in mixed lengths from 8mm to 16mm. This variety allows for a natural-looking gradient effect. This will make your eyes pop. For wholesale inquiries or any quality issues, please contact us. Our professional customer service team is ready to assist you. We are here to help. What we like. This product offers wholesale options, perfect for professionals or those who love to stock up. It provides a variety of lengths and curls to suit any style. If you're a lash artist or a frequent user, this is a great choice for convenience and value. What people say. The lash clusters are easy to apply. The lash clusters are very lightweight. The lash clusters are comfortable to wear. Number 4. QUEWEL Cluster Lashes, DIY Eyelash Extension. These new individual cluster lashes come in natural and mega styles. You can choose between C and D curls, with lengths from 8 to 16mm. It has 72 pieces in total, perfect for your DIY needs. Made from imported materials, they are super soft and lightweight. The individual lash extensions are easy to pick up without falling apart. It's designed for easy application. Can't make it to the salon? No problem. Create your perfect look at home with these lash clusters. Enjoy the process and feel more confident with your customized style. These matte black cluster eyelash extensions blend seamlessly with your natural lashes. With C and D curl options and various lengths, you can achieve any look. It's also easy to remove with eye makeup remover. QUEWEL is committed to providing high-quality products and excellent service. If you have any questions, please contact us. We're here to help you enjoy your DIY lash extensions. What we like. These lashes are designed for easy application, making DIY lash extensions at home a breeze. They are incredibly soft and lightweight, ensuring comfort throughout the day. If you're looking for a simple way to enhance your look without a salon visit, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Cluster lashes like this stand out from more conventional individual lashes because of their designs, which include broad stems. It makes the application simple and gives a grip that is both secure and pleasant to wear. The clusters are laid out in different lengths, ranging from 8mm to 16mm, which enables me to produce a tailored appearance that is in line with my own taste and desire. These cluster lashes have great smoothness and quality thanks to the fibers that were used to make them. Because they are not bulky and don't cause any irritation to my eyes, they are perfect for wearing for long periods of time. The lashes have a natural curl that can be described as a C or D curl, and it creates a stunning framing around my eyes. This helps to accentuate the shape of my eyes and gives my appearance more depth. Number 3. QUEWEL Cluster Lashes 144 PCS. These individual cluster lashes come in a pack of 144, offering both natural and mega styles. With C and D curls and a mixed tray of lengths from 8 to 16mm, they provide versatility for any look. Made from imported materials, these lashes are super soft and lightweight. They are designed to be easily picked up and applied without falling apart, making the process simple. Create your perfect look at home with these DIY lash extensions. If you want a graft lash extension, but the distance is too far or the time is not convenient, just enjoy the process and create your own style. These matte black cluster lashes blend seamlessly with your natural lashes. With C and D curl options and various lengths, you can easily achieve a natural or dramatic look. Plus, they are easy to remove with eye makeup remover. QUEWEL is committed to providing high-quality products and excellent service. If you have any questions about these individual false eyelashes, please contact us. We'll respond within 24 hours. Enjoy your DIY lash extensions. What we like. With 144 pieces per tray, you'll have plenty of lashes to create your desired look. The lashes are also soft and lightweight, ensuring a comfortable wear. If you enjoy experimenting with different lash styles and want a generous supply, this is the ideal option. What people say. Cluster lashes like this stand out from more conventional individual lashes because of their designs, which include broad stems. The broader base adheres flawlessly to my own natural lashes, which ensures that the end result will seem natural and will last a long time. The lashes have a natural curl that can be described as a C or D curl, and it creates a stunning framing around my eyes. Number 2. TOOCHUNAG Wispy C Curl Lash Clusters. Introducing these wispy lash clusters from TOOCHUNAG. They feature a C-curl design and fine cotton bands for all-day comfort and a natural look. These clusters are designed to enhance your eyes effortlessly. These lash clusters are designed specifically for the left and right eyes. They come in a natural length combination, saving you time while providing a natural appearance. This design ensures a perfect fit for each eye. With 9 different lengths, you can customize your look. Whether you want a full cat eye effect or a half eye look, these lashes offer versatility. Create the perfect style for any occasion. These natural lash clusters are perfect for everyday wear or special events. They are comfortable and authentic, whether you wear glasses or prefer a no-makeup look. They are designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Made with imported fiber, these individual lash clusters are designed to last. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We are here to help you achieve the perfect look. Use tweezers to gently pick up the individual lashes. For the best results, attach these false clusters underneath your own lashes. This will help them blend seamlessly for a natural finish. What we like. These lashes offer a wispy, natural look with a unique left and right eye design for a seamless application. They are designed for all-day comfort, even with glasses. If you like a subtle enhancement that feels and looks natural, you'll love these. What people say. The lash clusters are easy to apply. The lashes are very lightweight. The curl is perfect. Number 1. DIY Eyelash Extension Lash Clusters. These eyelashes are the new styles of ease attention lashes. The upgraded lash shapes are designed for a better fit to different eye shapes. With these new styles, you can match endless new possibilities. There are enough options of the size for you to match, flexible and free to create your own pace. Each size is also available in quantities that's sufficient for multiple uses. The unique shape can give you a special visual effect. The lashes are made of Korean high-quality fiber, which is non-irritating to your eyes. They are exactly featherlight and they are looking superior natural, giving you the comfortable wearing experience. Compared to grafting in the beauty salon, these lash clusters are more easier and faster to wear. You can save more time and money. They are also looking more natural than the strip lashes. If you have any questions or don't satisfy with our products, please don't hesitate to contact us. We will give you a satisfying solution. We strive to supply the best products and service to every customer. What we like. These lashes feature new styles and shapes for endless creative possibilities. With 120 clusters, you have plenty of options to customize your look. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to elevate your look with a unique style, you should consider this. What people say. These have not hindered my lash growth at all. They last about 5 to 7 days at a time. I can shower, wash my face, sweat like crazy, and these lashes stay put. I can definitely get them to last longer, but just for my personal hygiene preference, I don't go past 7 days. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.